Welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we are going to analyze the company from India. Okay, guys. Okay, we'll see the company from India. It's time for TVS Motor. Okay, up to all time high. This chart looks like this with the increased price in 5.85k. Okay, you can see here on the screen from 322 to this price. Okay. Was report Q1 2024 EPS 11.95, market cap 1.23 trillion INR, dividend yield 0.31 percentage, price to earning ratio 72.80, basic EPS 35.50 INR, net income 16.86 billion INR, revenue 389.07 billion INR, share float 234.68 million, beta 1.65, consumer durables, motor vehicles, Kunanth Narayan Radhakishan, employee 16.24k. TVS Motor Corp Limited engaged in the manufacture and the sales of automotive vehicles, automotive component, spare part, accessories, housing development, and financial service. It operates through the following segment: automotive vehicles and the part, automotive component and the financial service. And the other company was founded in 1911 and headquarters is in Chennai, India. Revenue 389.07 billion INR, net income 16.86 billion, net margin 4.33, 389 minus 291. 97.52, operating expenses minus 53, operating income 44.19, non-operating income expenses minus 16, taxes and other minus 10.60, net income 16.86. Here is its debt 260 minus 26.24, 12.90, 11.36, 19.30, 19.70, 31.40, 30.75, 43.80, 44.05, 55.63. And forecast, we'll try to look at the forecast. Maximum price increase will be around 80.18.90, current 2566, average minus 16.21, minimum minus 45.44 percentage. Estimate revenue 117.20, revenue estimate 94.11. And we will see its financial statement with closed LCR 240.1 million, free float share 234.68, market cap 1.19 trillion, debt 260, minority interest 7.28, cash and equivalent 25.91, enterprise value 1.43 trillion, price to earning ratio PE 69.01, price to sales 2.97, valuation PE 22, PS 0.76, PE 46, PS 1.44, PE 39, PS 1.23, PE 38, PS 1.61, PE 60, PS 2.63, uh, revenue 389.07, net income 16.86, net margin 4.33, 389 minus 291, gross profit 97, operating expenses minus 53, operating income 44, non-operating income expenses minus 16, minus 10.60, income and expenses 16.86, automotive vehicles and the parts of financial service, automotive component in other India. Financial position analysis: S is 211, 215, 210, 208, 138, debt 260, minus 26, 24. Okay, and we will see statement overview. Over 391, total revenue, gross profit 103, and operating income 45.68, pre-tax income 27.46, net income before discounted operation 16.86, total operating expenses 345.76, EBIT 45.68, 55.43, 35.50, 35.50, 16.86. Balance sheet looks like this with annual total assets 424.11, total liabilities 349, total equity 75.11, total liabilities and shareholder equity 424.11, total debt 260, net debt 234, book value per share 142.78, Cash from operating activity minus 15.13, cash from investing activity minus 10.25, cash from financing activity 30.42, free cash flow minus 26, and statistics report will be shown over here also. Total common share outstanding 475, float share 234, price to earning ratio 69.01, price to sales ratio 2.97, book price to book ratio 17.15, price to enterprise value 1.43, enterprise value to EBITDA at 25.84, 4.33, 27.45, 9.62, 27.41, 12.11, 14.79, 3.85, 0.90, 1.02, 12.04, 1.01, and dividend is also shown here. Dividend per share 5, 0.46, 17.88, and earning will also be shown here. 117, 94.11, and revenue will also shown here. Automotive vehicles passed 3 to 9, 57, 3.6, 38.50, and technical will also seen. We'll see technical. RSI 88, stochastic 94, commodity 128, average 64, awesome 948, momentum 969, MACD 104, stochastic 74, Williams minus 2.64, bull bear 102, ultimate 66, 2171, 2184, 1840, 1736, 1607, 1459, 1308, 1099, 933, 9793, 574, 442, 1705, 1732, 2537. Support third, no. Support second, 594.97, 1311, 1685, 2402, 2775, 3865, 594, 1011, 1268, 1685, 2101, 2358, 2775, 1729, 1829, 1929, 1685, 2128, 228, 2328, 389, 678, 1479, 1768, 2569, 2858, 3659, 1498, 1778, 2588.55, and we'll see it on super chart also. Each super chart looks like this with increasing prices and highest accumulation ever seen. And we'll try to add RSI indicator. RSI, we cannot add more than two indicators, so we have to close one. uh, we can create our own script also. RSI looks like this. RSI is around selling zone. Okay, this was for today.